The next step in creating my assembly is to add a limit distance mate to limit how much this can move within my part. To do that, I'm first going to need to add a plane at this point and an axis in this part. I'll select my PU50 part and edit the part. And I'll select this face, reference geometry plane, grab that edge, and I'll make a parallel plane. Accept that. Stop editing my part. Now I'll edit this part. I'll select this diameter, reference geometry axis. I'll create that axis, and I'll stop editing this part. Now that I have an axis and a plane, I can add a distance mate. I'll select the axis, scroll up, hold Control, select my plane, and I'll set up a distance mate. The distance here can be anywhere between 0 and 6. I'll just set it at 3 and accept that. Now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to edit my distance mate to make it a limit distance mate. So I'll go to the Advanced Mate section. I'll set the minimum distance to 0 and the maximum to 6. I'll accept this. And I'll close the mate window and I'll double check it worked. So that's working. That's great. The next step, I'm going to come back, move up here, and I'm going to make my sub-assembly flexible. Right now it's rigid, it's fully mated, so I'm going to tell it to make it flexible. Notice how the symbol changes. And now if I want, I can grab this handle and move it as it would before, as it was created to do in the main subassembly.